Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC and welcome to the next mod for my Redcat Ascent18. Now the Redcat Ascent18 is a nice capable micro crawler right out of the box, but the body does leave a little bit to be desired despite its performance advantages of being small and light. I decided to give the Ascent18 a better scale look by adding this Injora IR60 body. I've bought it in black. It comes in several different colors, I think. I don't know if it has it here on the box, but some of the colors I've seen are black, white, and silver, I believe. But it is a Toyota-ish pickup style body with a rear cage with side panels. Now the IR60 body is made for the TRX4M, so it is not an exact fit for the Ascent18 out of the box because the body mounts that come with this are made for the TRX4M. Now I've already gone ahead and mounted up the body to my Redcat Ascent18, and this is how it looks, and I will explain to you how I mounted it up or what I used to mount up the body to the Ascent18 in just a bit. But before we move on, the Injora IR60 body does come with two styles of grills. So there's this one right here, which is pretty aggressive looking, and then they've got the traditional Toyota grill right there, which I might go back to using. I'm not quite sure which one I'm going to use right now, but for now I'm going to be using this aggressive IR60 front grill. Alright, it does come with a set of lights, LED lights right here, and it also does come with the pieces for mounting onto a TRX4M, which I am not going to be using because I have an Ascent18. Now, to mount the Injora IR60 body to the Ascent18, I used the body mounts from Armory RC for the IR60 body to the Ascent18. Now, this is the body mount kit for the Injora IR60 body to the Redcat Ascent18 by Armory RC. I will go over all the pieces in this kit. Now, this kit is made for a stock Ascent18 chassis, so it will not work for an aftermarket chassis. It is for the stock chassis rails and most of the stock parts. First up, we'll see how the body mounts. It is using a rear hinge design just like it was doing for the TRX4M with a clip-on front just like the TRX4M. So it does have a hinge and it clips on in the front. The front bumper is part of the clip-on front. Right here, as you can see, here is the rear hinge, and it also includes updated sliders to go along the length of the body. So you can see here, it does replace the stock sliders. These sliders out of the way. Alright, in the back here we can see it includes a decorative radiator which is clipped onto the body, so it'll go up and down with the body hinge. And also we have a receiver cover for the stock receiver ESC. It is installed between the shock towers, and it just flips up to allow you to access the power button for the receiver ESC. It's a really nice kit and an easy way to get the Injora IR60 body onto the Redcat Ascent18. Once again, I'll put a link to this kit in the description below. I really like the way this body looks on the Ascent18. It's got some good clearance as well as good scale looks. So I can't wait to do more to this Ascent18 and really get it out on the rock for a nice scale run. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future updates on this Redcat Ascent18. Thanks for watching.